Welcome to the HiFlow Imposition application, one of the many in HiFlow's suite of modules. It features integration with ECMA and FEFCO as well as other design standards. To begin, simply select the desired standard from the menu. Next, input the desired dimensions into the appropriate fields. The preview with key dimensions of the product, including rule lengths, recalculate dynamically. More details of the design can be found in the section in the lower right of the window. Once done with the design of the product, it is time to move to the Imposition tab to customize the layout. Select the material size from the drop-down list. Select the desired layout from the list of options generated based on the details entered. Adjust the quantity. The material requirements will recalculate automatically. If a change is necessary, such as if the incorrect standard was chosen, it is easy to reselect the correct one. Return to the Design tab and select the correct standard, or build the design with the Smart Assembly tool. Select the assembly type. Adjust the dimensions. Select the style for the top, bottom, and glue flap. The imposition will automatically adjust to the new design. If needed, reselect the material. New layout options are available for the new design and sheet size. Continue to adjust the parameters as needed and explore more controls and settings options in the layout tabs. Thank you for watching this brief introduction into the HiFlow Imposition application.